My name is Krieger, and I am a skateboarder and an artist. Skateboarding is an art form, and so is fashion and dressing how you want. When you do kind of combine the two together, it is really a form of self-expression. Coming into the sport as a female, you really kind of have to get over the hump of caring what people think about you. It's definitely a male-dominated sport. There's still a big gap. It's still something that a lot of girls aren't doing. And I really think pushing past that social standard and getting over caring what people might think about them or being judged is the reason for that. So the more girls that are out there doing it that people can see, I think, is the fix to that problem. For other girls too, it doesn't even have to be about skating, but experiencing that empowerment and growing through that, they can take into other points of their lives. Skating has, given me a new perspective on so many different things, and I've grown in my outlook and confidence and ideals and things like that. That empowerment, I think, is what is really special about skating. If you have any desire in your heart to do anything, you should go after it 100% and stay true to yourself and follow that.